Hello, in front of me I've got Suzuki Swift. In this video I'll show you how to manage steering wheel buttons. Firstly, take a look at the right side of the steering wheel. Right here we've got the panel, thanks to which we can activate speed limiter or cruise control. We can manage it and we can change mode. If you press this button, you will change distance from following car in adaptive cruise control. Next, take a look at the left side of the steering wheel. Right here we've got the panel thanks to which we can manage radio. We can change radio station, radio band, radio volume, and we can check radio info. Below, we've got the panel thanks to which we can answer calls, end calls, and activate voice assistant. And on the right side, we've got the button thanks to which we can enable steering assist. Behind the steering wheel, we've got two paddles, plus and minus. Thanks to these paddles, we can manually change gears in manual automatic gear mode. Of course, if you press right here, you will use horn. If you find this video helpful, please leave like, comment and subscribe.